Hello everyone, you're watching the Sydney Trains and New South Wales Trainlink channel. I'm currently at Warrimoo station on the Blue Mountains line. On platform number 1 we have V5 operating out of platform number 1 on a North Sydney service. Yes, that is right, a North Sydney service due to the shutdown of central platforms 4 to 15. This train will be stopping all stations through to Penrith, then Blacktown, Westmead, Parramatta, Granville, Strathfield, Central, and then all to North Sydney. Again, the set is V5. So, just a little bit of a look at Warrimoo Station. They've still got the orange colour-coded signs from the City Rail era. This is going to be a really short video due to commitments that I've got to go off and do, but at least they've kept some aspects of City Rail. Platform 2 trains from Sydney. Platform 1 trains from trains to Sydney, sorry. So, for those people interested, here is an old City Rail commuter telephone. And you can see there's the L7 Candy State Rail logo. And a Telstra phone box. And this is facing towards Katoomba, Mount Victoria, and Lithgow, and so on and so forth. And the other way is facing towards Penrith and Sydney. The next train off platform 2, I think is a Mount Victoria train, or a Lithgow bound train. I can't really tell because I don't have any indicator screens, but yes. Here's a local area map for those interested. It's brought to you by Sidway. And here is the Great Western Highway, which is just through the trees. And elevation for Warrimoo is 273 metres above sea level. I find that pretty interesting. Anyway guys, I'm sorry it was such a short tour, but yeah, I've got to go somewhere else, but I'm going to wrap it up now, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favourite the video. I will see you all next time. Goodbye for now.